don't think it is. Maybe just a limit to how long it records. I'm not sure. Anyway, I turn it back on. I hope that's still recording. Okay. We got that. And the other things, there are other things available. So especially for elementary school, obviously, it might be interesting to have different kinds of grid paper. Would be of interest, not as much for us. We also have like Alpo lines and, the stuff they use in elementary school. Oh, that's interesting. Houses. I'm not sure what's going on there. That's some elementary school thing. I don't know. They teach them how to.
Doch für Großbuchstaben,
Großbuchstaben
Kleinbuchstaben
kann.
wahrscheinlich.
Okay.
Bis zum Dach und nur bis zur Tür oder so.
Ach so. Okay. Cool. Now there are some other things too. So we can now, let's see, we're going to go erase that stuff. And the background's kind of whack, but we're just going to not worry about that. We're going to input some stuff, and this is especially just for the chemists. We have for example, a periodic table that we can directly insert. So as we're working, you might be thinking, okay, it'd be really handy to have a periodic table over here, or maybe you just want to zoom in on a certain area. Here we go. There's an upline earth metals. We just want to look at over here, and then we do some work over here. And we can get some values from here. Sodium's doing 3.29 or 11. That's the basic idea. And then of course you could also add other documents that you can preload and get off here. You can also design your whole own lesson, but we're not there yet right now.
Where did you get that again, Phil?
It's under up here. There's a button called like image, insert image.
Insert image.
Yeah, it's like a little two mountains. Some icon. And this is preset stuff they have automatically in there. The two that I found most interesting for us, periodic table, and the other one is Koordinatenebene, so that would be just a coordinate system. For math, that's super helpful, and then for some unuseful reason you can turn it, which is not so helpful. But the coordinate system is definitely helpful, and we can make it straight again. So instead of having to get the grid paper and then draw it on there, it's already ready to go, and now you can plot stuff and say, okay, here we go, here's our data, make a straight line fit, whatever. So that's good stuff, and those are the only two that I thought were like really interesting, but there's some other things on here, and again, for mathematicians, there might be other things that are of interest, where they might be like, oh, I really like the Kreisbruchzahlen 1 bis 5, whatever, okay, that's good stuff, I guess. Not sure, for math. I guess maybe that's the class a little bit. Not sure. I'm not sure. So anyway, other things are available, and now can we make it go away by like pushing it? We try that. Does it work here too? Oh yeah, there we go. And we can make our periodic table disappear with the same thing. Oh shoot, it's now over there, of course. Oh, there we go. Good. Okay, good. Are we all clear? We're all clear. Okay. Go back to some normal stuff, white background, or back to a normal screen. Those are the most important things. Now, the other thing I did want to show you, I think I covered,
I've seen a gallery, haven't I? Can I load in some personal stuff?
Yes. Yeah. You can load it on, it has its own memory. It's not connected to a computer right now. There should.
How can I load it on?
Yes, there's a USB port right here.
Okay.
You can also Bluetooth connect it to your phone. There should be a computer that's connected. That's something we need to get done. But there's a gallery here, and you can put stuff in here that's accessible, and you can just upload it. Or you can prepare a lesson ahead of time that you would then completely have ready with the whole thing. You've got your coordinate system, you've got your whatever you want, and your text, and you can just go from there.
Könnten wir dann unsere Gefährdungsbeurteilung direkt darauf laden, digitale Sachen? Also die dann immer die ganze Zeit auf dem...
Yeah, probably, yeah. Yeah, that's eigene memory. There's its own memory, and you can store things on there, and you can have things that are always accessible to people.
Okay.
That's correct. So I think there's only one absolute thing I definitely wanted to show everybody still, which was to connect your own computer, which I think is really important. It's not too surprising. HDMI cable. This might create an instant loop of craziness because I'm going to connect the computer that is recording the screen, and then I think that will be like a... Will that work? Sure, should work. So I'm connecting over here. I plugged it into my computer. This is the HDMI plug. This looks like this.
Right.
This one.
Oh, that one. I'm looking at your...
Yeah. It looks similar to the...
Right.
Yeah. But it's not.
Funktioniert es da auch?
Bitte?
Bei einem
schnell. Weiß ich nicht. Die haben meistens irgendwelche solche, alles ist kompliziert bei Apple, ne? Alles super, wenn man erstmal, also unter sich ist alles gut, und wenn du irgendwie versuchst mit was anderem, ist es noch
Do
kompliziert.
we have a lot of these, wires hanging around, or not?
Ich glaube, immer nur ein Starter.
This cable is in the box.
It's in the box, good.
It's in the box, yeah. And this is a little bit short, especially because I have it kind of sitting back, and it looks like